Alright guys, thank you for joining me. This is Jeff Tech here. In this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to connect PdaNet or how to use PdaNet on your computer. Alright, PdaNet is just an app that you can use to transfer your free VPN internet to your computer without any problems. Okay, let's get started. Alright, in your phone you need to make sure that you have the app. Right now I'm using Android. And you need to make sure that you've installed the app PdaNet. Right, let me just show you the app. Okay, this is the app right here, PdaNet. Okay, this is the app right here, PdaNet. As you can see, you can connect using USB, Wi-Fi. You can also connect using Bluetooth. Okay, in this case I'm just going to use USB tether. Right, you get to your USB tether. Okay, in this case I have the PdaNet, the one I modded. It's called KaiNet. Yeah, it's modded and it's free, so we're going to use it. You just tap on open, and then you need to make sure that you click on USB tether. And if you check here, it says computer use PdaNet app to connect. Okay, so right here I have my USB connected, and I'll just plug it to my computer. Right, on the computer you need to make sure that you have installed the PdaNet. When you install it, it shows right here, just on there, it shows to say that you've installed it. This is the PdaNet application. Alright, down in the description I'm going to give you the link for the PdaNet PC and every link you might need. Alright, in this case I'm using Zamtel, so you need to make sure that you're connected to any network, any free internet. Right now I'm using Zamtel. Okay, you plug your USB to your computer. Alright, and then you head to your phone. You're going to see a notification as you plug your phone to your computer. You see a notification telling you to say that yeah, connected. So now it's connected. Alright, and on your phone you need to make sure that you are connected to any VPN that will help you tunnel free internet. Right now I'm connected to Anonitune. Yeah, and it's here connected. This is a free internet guys. Alright, you get to your computer, you go there. When you see this symbol right here, it shows that the internet is connected, Bluetooth. Alright, let me check if it's working right now. I'll just open my browser. Just to check if my internet is working. Okay, let me just check on YouTube. Alright guys, this is YouTube. It's opening. I'm using free internet Zamtel guys, and it's real. Okay. Alright guys, it's working props. Let me just try to check one video. I also check the internet speeds.
Organizing your development projects in sprints can be hard.
Just click on download. I'm using IDM for downloading.
To those who step forward, who are called to a career in healthcare.
Okay guys, as you can see, the internet is fast. Download speed is very fast. This is Zamtel free net on your computer. Get connected. It's very fast. Alright guys, subscribe to my channel. This is Jeff Tech right here. If you have any problem, you can just tell me in the description down, and I'll tell you how to use it and how to connect it in case you fail. But please give me a subscribe, and if you like this video, you can give me a thumb up. Alright, and the links for the downloads, you see them on the description down.